Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to remove the background from your videos in CapCut PC? It's super easy. Let me show you how in just a few simple steps. First of all, open CapCut on your PC and import your video by dragging it into the timeline. After that, click on your video in the timeline to select it. Now head over to the Remove Busy section on the right panel and click Auto Cutout. CapCut will automatically remove the background in seconds. If needed, fine-tune the effect or add a new background for a clear look. And that's it. Now you can create professional background-free videos with ease. Try it out and let me know in comments if this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.